After the Supreme Court order on the reservation, the Dalit organizations have staged a nationwide protest. Right now, I'm present in Kanpur where the protest can be seen. You can see in the visuals. This is for the very first time that the supporters of the BSP, Bahujan Samaj Party, are on roads once again to protest against any of the law which has been passed either by the Supreme Court or the ruling which has been given by the Supreme Court. You can see in the visuals, there are flags of the Bahujan Samaj Party, there are plug cards. You can see SC, ST की नौकरियों में NFS समाप्त करो. You can see आरक्षण में बंटवारा नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा. And also there are pictures of Chandrasekhar Rawat. You can see his party is also now the part of the protest. This is for the very first time that in a protest, several opposition parties are taking part all together. You can see there are flags of the Bahujan Samaj Party, that is the BSP, and a lot of people are in fact gathered here to protest. You can see there are pictures of Baba Bhimrao Ambedkar. There are people. किस लिए प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं आप लोग, क्या मांग बताओ?
हमारी मांग ये है कि हमारा आरक्षण सुरक्षित रहे और हमारे जो दलित पिछड़े वर्ग हैं इनको आरक्षण दिया जाए और जो 69,000 शिक्षक भर्ती है इसमें घोटाला किया है, इस घोटाले को सुधारा जाए और ऐसी ओबीसी वर्ग का हक न छीना जाए।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो ऑर्डर दिया है उस पर क्या बोलेंगे सरकार को?
हाँ, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो ऑर्डर दिया है सरकार को अमल करना चाहिए और उसकी नियमितता से जांच होनी चाहिए।
So there you can see that there are different voices of the people who are proposing this very particular order. You can see this is not the protest which includes only one organization, but you can see there are different organization, Pradarshan, even Gyapan, the memorandum which will be in fact given to the DM. You can see that the Bahujan Sangathan, it is completely different from the Bahujan Samaj Party. So one of the in fact organization of the Dalit which are in part of the process. You can see this is also this is another organization which in fact leading the march and going to give the memorandum to the to the DM. This is in fact part of the आदिवासी groups. You can see दलित पिछड़ों, ध्यान से देखो ये हमारे पूर्वजों का बीता हुआ कल, अगर तुम आज नहीं सुधरे तुम्हारा कल भी ऐसा होगा. So these are the different kind of the posters, placards which have been taken in fact by the people. If I could just show you how long is this whole protest, you can see in the visuals we have walked several meters, I think 100 to 200 meters, and you can see there is a in fact crowd of more than thousands of people which are still gathered here for the very protest. You can see that there are several people of the different communities, whether it be the Bahujan Samaj Party, whether it be from the lawyers community. Everyone is here on the road. Holding the placards, in fact marching to the DM office. You can see that one group in fact of the Bahujan Samaj Party is standing there. You can see that several services of the fire extinguishers and the police force are on the spot which are there to manage this different group. So this is the situation on the ground where such a large number of protesters, the members of the political parties are in fact protesting against the Supreme Court order which has been passed. Now it remains to be seen what will be the stand of the central government and the court after this nationwide protest. With video journalist Shubham Shukla, this is Imar Chawla in Kanpur for India Today.